Welcome back to this channel. Today we are going to learn about how to take input from the user in Python using input function. It's a foundational concept in all Python programs. So in Python, the input function is used to get input from the user during the execution of a program. But the only problem is it always returns a string, even if the user types a number or float. So this is the input function, input, and open the bracket, and you can enter whatever you need the user to enter. So you can write your name, and if you shift and enter, see you got a text box asking you for the name, and you enter the name and it is shown here. So when you write with the print function, you can write it as this. You can create a variable and you can enter the name inside that variable, and then you can show it through the print function. So name equals to input, enter your name, and then print your name is, and concatenate it with the variable. So it is asking what is your name, and you got the result, your name is Elijah. But the problem is, if you want to enter a number or store a number, you want to convert it first, because whatever value it is getting from this text box, the data type will be string. So you need to convert it if you want to get an integer number. So you can write it as age equal, we have seen typecasting, isn't it? So int input, enter your age, and you can print it out. Print next year you will be, and to show the numeric in this print function, you can put a comma and you can give age plus 1. So enter your age. 30 means it is showing next year you will be 31. So in this way, you need to convert the input function to integer or float. For example, if you want to convert it to float, a equals to float input, enter the first number, b equals to float input, enter the second number, result equals to a plus b. Can give the result as print. The result is result. So it is asking enter the first number, and write it as 3.22. Enter the second number, 4.54. So you got the result. The result is 7.76. That is a float number. So you can use this input in a very elaborate way. Also can use some if condition or any other conditional statements, and you can check whether the entered value is right or wrong. So for that, we will write a small example. Username equals to input, enter the username, password equals to input, enter the password, and you can write an if statement. If username equals to Python and password equals to 123, print login successful, else print login failed. So it is asking to enter the username. You can write it wrong first itself. You can write the username as Java, and you can enter the password as 423434. You got it as login failed, isn't it? You can copy and paste it once again. You can execute it once again, and this time we can give it correct Python and 123, and you got your login successful. So if you are using the input function, whatever number you are giving through the input, that will be considered as a string. In here, this example, this 123 has been considered as a string. If you want to consider it as an integer or float, you need to explicitly typecast it into float or integer. So hope this was a valuable one. Have a nice day.